How to render an image in Blender. Now the way you actually do it is very simple. You just go up here, render image, and there it is. Your object will be rendered. If you want to change how it looks, you just change the camera. Maybe I'll move it a little bit to here. Let's try it again. Render image. Let's move it again. Render image. As you can see, the rendering will be changed based on the scene and on the camera. Let's try again. Render image. There you go. If you want to save the render image, just press here, image, and save as copy. Save image, and it'll be saved to whichever directory you put it in. Now, why would you want to render an image? Why not just take a screenshot like this? Well, if you take a screenshot like this, and if you zoom in, it'll be low quality, because in reality, this is just a preview, not a fully rendered high quality image. So when you want to show someone a scene, what it'll actually look like, just render it, just so it'll be in a completely high quality state. Let's try it one last time. Up here, render image. You can change it a little bit here, maybe 0 viewer node, but let's just keep it at render result. You can change something here, change some things here, slot 1, slot 2. You can also navigate, check it, uncheck it, show metadata, etc, etc. And that's how you render an image in Blender. It's as easy as that.